Now we come to our favorite laddoos. Everybody loves laddoos. I for one definitely need one every day after lunch. So we're going to show you how to make high protein, really yummy laddoos. Amaranth is a great source of protein. Amaranth is also known as Rajgira. You get this flour ready in the market. So we're going to quickly roast this. Rajgira is a very delicate seed actually. It's not really a cereal. And you see the small seeds which you find in the form of chikki and laddoos. That's the same Rajgira. And because it's so delicate, it doesn't require as much roasting as besan. It just takes a few minutes, less than 5 minutes. Once you start finding it fragrant, then it's ready to use. So we just keep stirring and roast in a heavy bottom pan. So our Rajgira atta is ready. You can see it's a bit smoky and it's roasted. I can smell it and the color has changed slightly. Those are the indicators, the smell, the look, and of course an approximate time. So it could take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. We wait for a few minutes for this to cool, and we'll just go over the other ingredients. This is dry kopra. This is date paste, which is just dates soaked in water, of course after de-seeding, and then make them into a puree. There is sesame, til, which also makes it calcium rich, roasted cashews, dry date powder or chuara powder, and elaichi powder. So we're just going to put all of these together. I like mixing this with my hands, so I'm just putting all of them together. It's because of the feelings that we make the food with that the food tastes good, which is why they always say people love their mother's food because of the love she puts into it. So I really encourage you to use your hands. Don't use gloves where not required. So our laddoo dough is ready, so to speak, and we just get rolling now. So here our laddoos are ready. You can have a good time rolling them. You can also involve your kids. It's perfectly okay if they are not in a perfectly round shape if your kids are involved. And you can also use other millets instead of amaranth for this recipe. Of course, the usual wheat and all we are used to eating, but it's nice to incorporate other grains into our diet. Enjoy the laddoos and eat them guiltlessly, and enjoy them after a meal or as a snack.